The Samsung Galaxy A55, released in 2024, has quickly gained immense popularity, becoming one of the most sought-after smartphones of the year. This mid-range device strikes an excellent balance between performance, design, and affordability, appealing to a broad audience. It features a 6.6-inch Super AMOLED display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, delivering vibrant visuals and an enhanced viewing experience. Powered by the efficient Exynos 1480 chipset, it provides reliable performance for multitasking, gaming, and everyday applications. The Galaxy A55 is equipped with a versatile triple camera system, including a 50MP main sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide lens, and a 5MP macro lens, along with a 32MP front-facing camera for detailed selfies. A 5000 mAh battery ensures all-day usage, supported by 25W fast charging for convenience. Running on Android 14 with Samsung's One UI 6.1, the phone offers a user-friendly experience with ample customization options. Additional features like 5G connectivity, an in-display fingerprint scanner, and IP67 water and dust resistance enhance its overall appeal. Its affordability, combined with premium features typically found in higher-end models, makes the Galaxy A55 a standout choice for budget-conscious consumers and a dominant force in the smartphone market.